Good morning, friends. I'm so excited to be able to start another week with you today. I have a would you rather question for you this morning. Now, this is a bit of a tricky one. Would you rather eat a raw potato? Now, potatoes, when they're raw, are actually quite hard, even harder than an apple. So would you rather eat a raw potato, or would you rather eat an entire lime? Now, if you don't know what a lime is very similar to a lemon, so it's quite sour. So, would you rather eat a raw potato, or would you rather eat an entire lime? Think about that for a moment. Take a minute, pause this video, talk to someone about it, or think about it a little bit more. Tell a stuffed animal or your favorite toy, and then come back to us and we'll start our calendar this morning. Okay, let's begin our day, Division 17. We'll start with our months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, and November, December. And our days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday's the last day, and now we know them all. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Yesterday was Sunday. Now if today is Monday, what will it be in 2 days from now? Take a minute and think. We can take a look on our days of the week. If today's Monday, 2 days from now will be Wednesday. Did you get that? Now, if today's Monday, what would it be 5 days from now? Now, we're going to be doing adding to be able to figure out our days of the week. So if today's Monday and it's in 5 days, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll be Saturday. Did you get that? Okay, we're gonna go into November. Our day today is the 30th. So it is getting to the end of the month. It is the end of the month. Today is the last day of November. We are going to be starting December tomorrow, which is so exciting because we don't have much time left until Christmas and our winter holidays. So can we count backwards again, like we have been doing last week, from 30? Now this is a tricky one. Can you do it? Let's try together. On your marks, get set, go. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, you guys. So today is Monday, November the 30th, and the year is 2020. Now the trick is that in one more month, because December is coming up next and it's the last month of the year, our year is going to change. Do you have any idea what our year is going to be? once we finish December and go into our new year in January? Our year, next year, once we're finished, 2020, is going to be 2021. Can you believe it? This year has gone by way too fast. But right now we're still at the year 2020. Our season is still fall, but it's getting close to winter, you guys. And the weather is cold and it is cloudy. Okay, so our place value here, we're looking at, we have our number 30. Are there any hundreds in the number 30? No. When there's hundreds, that means that there's 3 digits. So 100 would be 1/100s, 0 10s, 0 1s. That's when we would start to get into the hundreds. But right now we're just looking at the 10s and 1s for the most part. So our number is 30. How many 10s do we have in the number 30? We've got 3 10s in our number 30. How many 1s do we have in our number 30? We don't have any 1s in our number 30. But because we have 3 10s, we've got our 3 10 blocks that represent our 3 10s. Okay, so let's go on to our 100 chart. Our number is 30. Here it is on our 100 chart. Now we've got a few until we get to our number 100. How many 10s would we have to add to 30 to get to 100? We looked at adding different numbers on our 100 chart last week. How many 10s would it take for us to get from 30 to 100? Now this would be an addition question. So our question is, we have 30. We don't know how much we have to add to be able to get to 100, but we know that this line, we add 10s. So it has to be some kind of a number that fits into the 10s. So let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we know, and these are big numbers, you guys. We know we have 30. If we add 70, we can get what number? 100. Now, if you have a 100 chart at home, you can impress your friends and family with how big of numbers you can end up adding. So cool. Okay, so if we take a look at our 10 frame, we have 1, 2, 3 10 frames that are completely filled. And we know when a 10 frame is filled, how many counters are in them? 10. So we look at this, there's 10. We're going to count by 10s for each one of these. 10, 20, 30. There are 30 counters there all together. Great job, you guys. Okay, friends, we're back here on our 100 chart, and I have 4 numbers for you, and I'm going to see if I can trick you this morning. It's Monday morning, and I know it's always difficult for all of us to be able to get up and get our brains going, so I'm going to see if your brains are already moving and thinking this morning while you're watching the calendar. I am giving you 4 numbers. The numbers are 5, 10, 11, and 25. Now, one of these numbers does not belong with the other numbers. So there are qualities that are similar of 3 of the numbers, but not with one of the numbers. Now, can you think about what those qualities might be and whether or not figure out which ones fit and which one does not belong. And those numbers again are 5, 10, 11, and 25. So if you want to pause this and take a look at it for a little bit to try to figure it out, feel free to do that. Now, as we end our calendar this morning, I have another riddle for you. Now we're doing adding and subtracting. We're looking at less than, more than, in between, all of those types of words that help us to be able to figure out the numbers that we're wanting to figure out in word problems. So this question for you is, who am I? I am 5 less than the number 82. What am I? Okay, now our 82 is right here. I am 5 less than our number 82. What number am I?